Stocks in China and Hong Kong dropping overnight. The Shanghai Composite was down 1%. The Shenzhen 1.7%. The Hang Seng off more than 2%. And that index is currently on track for its biggest weekly loss in 2 months. All comes as investors and traders await some concrete stimulus measures from the government to try to support the embattled real estate sector. Eunice Yoon joins us now from Beijing with the details. Hi, Eunice.
Hey, Joe. Well, I'm at one of the many properties of embattled property giant Evergrande, and the residents here are very worried about all this negative news potentially impacting the prices of their properties, even in the big city like Beijing. Today, there was even more bad news when Evergrande had filed for protection from creditors in a New York court. The company says that it's applied under Chapter 15, which says that non-U.S. companies undergoing a restructuring can be safeguarded from creditors who might be looking to sue them or tie up their assets in the United States. Evergrande says that it's restructuring talks that are underway in Hong Kong, the British Virgin Islands, as well as the Cayman Islands, should be recognized in a restructuring hearing on September 20th. Now, the news of this filing had hit stock prices in Asia. People were really concerned, and so the Evergrande late in the day clarified that to the Hong Kong Exchange that this is a technical move, saying that the application is a normal procedure for the offshore debt restructuring and does not involve a bankruptcy petition. There is a lot of concern and sensitivity right now about the real estate sector. And then Evergrande also was hit by some other news, which is that the domestic property arm confirmed that Chinese regulators are investigating it for what they described as a breach of disclosure rules. And local media say that the probe is for suspected data manipulation. Now, adding further to the gloom, the mid-sized commercial developer Soho China, which recently had been a target for possible investment and takeover by Blackstone, had flagged its profits. They said that they fell 93% in the first half of the year due to uncertainty. And there has been a ton of uncertainty these days in the real estate sector. Guys?
Someday I'd like to talk to you about all your anecdotal observations about things like that. We hear about empty buildings and stadiums and everything else,
yep.
And I know that you're not always out in the country over there, Eunice, but you must be able to confirm some of those things. It must be weird to see big structures that really don't have a lot going on.
Well, even in this, even in this property, there are a lot of empty apartments here. It's a little bit more on the outskirts of Beijing, still in Beijing, but there are a lot of empty apartments, and that's part and parcel to the way that people invest in properties here, and that is that they see them more as a way to put their money because it's one of the few places where Chinese have been able to traditionally park their cash. And so oftentimes you will see properties that just don't have anybody living in them, but somebody does own them. And so what I think is interesting here is that it's really been quite empty. A lot of the businesses aren't really doing very well, and that partially is because of maybe some of the issues that we've seen in the real estate sector more broadly, but also because people here are feeling poor. And so they're just not spending so much, and then the businesses aren't doing very well.